Hello dear friends. So today we are going to start with list. Okay. First of all, let's see what is a list. It is a standard data type of Python that store a sequence of values belonging to any type. Okay, that means like when you go to the market, okay, or you have to purchase the grocery from the market, what you do, you make a list. Okay, you arrange the things so that it will be easy for you to maintain the things, and you can easily just buy the things from the shop. Okay, so that is a list. Okay, that is a list. Fine, that is used to store a list of values of any type. Okay, it can be string, it can be floating type number, it can be integers, anything. Okay, so Python lists are mutable. Okay, they are mutable means you can change the elements of a list in place. Fine, Python will not create a fresh list when you do the changes to an element of a list. Fine. I hope it is clear to you now how to depict, how can we depict it is a list or not. See, the list is depicted by square brackets. Okay, we have, whenever we will create the list, we have to use the square brackets. Okay, I already told you they are mutable sequence of Python, and it contains the value of mixed data type. It can be integer, float, or you can say uh, strings. Fine. So it there we can have list of mixed value types. Fine, they are formed by placing a comma separated list of expressions in square brackets. So we will see here how can we create the list. Fine. So one thing here you have to keep in mind, that lists are mutable. That means you can change the elements of a list in place. Fine. So let's see how to create a list here. Okay, I'm starting here now. Suppose I have one list. Okay, its name is just suppose I'll take numbers. Okay, numbers. Fine. So I am saying I have how many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I want to print it now. Okay, let's see. I will simply write here print numbers. Okay, clear? Oh, there is a capital N, we have to take care of this. Fine. So let's run and see. Okay, and have a focus on the output. Okay, now you can see our first list has been printed here. Okay, so this list is has come here. So these all are the integer values. Clear? So let's move forward and see the one more thing. Let's see. Just suppose if I am not I am writing here empty, I'll make empty list. Okay, just see like this, and I will write here print empty, print okay. Fine. So let's see output. Now you can see nothing has been printed in the list because we have not assigned anything here. So it will give us the empty value only, means list with no member. It is a empty list. Fine. So next is next let's see. I have just suppose list of characters. Okay, suppose I have a list of characters. So how to do that? I will write here characters only. Okay, you can save it in single quotes. Okay, then B. Fine. Then C. Fine. So let's print the characters now. Print, I will write here characters. Okay, fine, bracket close. Fine, and let's save and check. Okay, Now you can see as it is the characters are printing here, we are printing the characters here A, B, C that I have written over here. Fine. So this is a list of characters. Now the thing is how to print the list of strings. Okay, how to print the list of strings. Let's see here. I am writing here making a string. Okay, variable I am writing here string only. So let me write down the words here. 1, okay, then 2, fine, okay, fine, and after that I am writing here 3, fine. So I have to print strings here. So I will write here print strings. Clear? So let's save and I will run it. You will see. So I got my strings here. Okay, strings values are here. Now if suppose I have to print the list of mixed value types. Okay, list of mixed value types. So what I will do? Simply I will mix type. Okay. Then again I will write here 1, 2, suppose 2.5, and then I am writing here apple. Then after that I am writing here D. So let me print here now. Print mixed type. Clear? So let me save and print. Let's check the output here. Wow. So you can see here the output is coming here like this. Okay, so it is a list of mixed value types. Means we have floating number also, we have integer also, we have string also, we have characters also here. Fine. So now the thing is empty list I told you. Okay, empty list means it is the list equivalent of 0 or single quotes. Okay, so that means we can create the empty list as list, okay, then square brackets. Fine. And after that, now let's see how to access the numbers from your list. Okay, if suppose I want to fetch the numbers, just suppose if I want to fetch the number from here, so that means I should know the I should know the value of this. So how we used to find out the values? Its place is 0, its place is 1, okay, then 2. So means our number place index value always starts from 0. Fine. So let's see here how to fetch it. Okay, I am writing here. Just suppose I will write here only. Okay, I will write here. So suppose I want the value 4. Fine. So I will control S and let's check the output. Okay, so I got the output 5. This one you can see here, because I fetched the number 4. So this is at 0th place, this is at 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth value is my 5. So it is printing me 5 over here. I hope it is clear to you how to fetch the values. Now one thing is more, how to replace the value in a string. Okay, for that we use, I hope if you have remember, we have done in strings also slicing. We have done the slicing earlier in the previous videos. Okay, so let's see here also how to do that. Just suppose here, okay, I want to replace this 2, okay, this 2 with 2. Okay, so how I'll do? I will simply write it here, print mix type S. Okay, now you can see over here what it is saying. Okay, what it is saying here, it is replaced. You know what happened here? This is just broken down, okay, into the parts. Okay, because it is taking it as a character, so it has been broken here. Fine. Now if so it is okay, so here what I will do, if I have to create a list, so what I will do, I will simply write down here like instead of writing this, I will create a list here, okay, and I am writing like this 2, okay, just see the change, okay, fine, and I will, now you can see here, okay, the value is changed to 2, okay, value is changed to 2. If I will remove this value, fine, now the next is how to, suppose this is, earlier I told you it will be broken into parts, fine, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply write down like this, okay, 1 colon. So means it will print you the values from here to here, okay, only 1 and 2 values will be displayed over here, fine. So clear. Now next thing is how to fetch the value. Just suppose you want to fetch the value from here, that I told you upper side also, but there I told you if you have to fetch the value from the index one, okay. Now suppose if you want to fetch the value from the last, okay, suppose this one, okay, I will change it to none, fine, none. None means you can say that nothing, but in Python it does not mean 0. I am telling you very clearly, here none does not mean 0. So what I'll do, if I have to print the none value, okay, so what I'll do, I will simply write here print, and here I will mention -1, okay, control save and run this, and you will see it is printing the none value here, okay, it is simply giving us the none value here. Clear? I hope it is clear to you what I have told you, okay, how to print the things, how you can save it. Clear? I hope it is the concept is clear to you. If you like my video, kindly share, like, comment and subscribe my channel. Your subscription, your likes gives me the motivation to go ahead. Thank you so much.